Behind every new car is a polished ad, a flashy badge, and a few things manufacturers hope you never find out. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the secrets car makers don't want in the spotlight. First, your car might have features you already paid for, but can't use. From heated seats to adaptive cruise, many cars come with deactivated hardware, locked behind software. Why? So they can charge you later to unlock it. Yup, software subscriptions aren't just for Netflix anymore. Automakers are moving to pay-per-feature models, even if the tech is already in your car. Huh, sneaky, right? Next up, that official service schedule? Not always about what's best for your car. It's often what's best for dealership profits. Some services, like early transmission fluid swaps or fuel injector cleaning, might not be needed nearly as often as they say. Always check the owner's manual and do your homework. That premium SUV you're eyeing might be the same under the skin as a cheaper model. It's called platform sharing, and it means brands like Audi, VW, and Skoda, or Toyota and Lexus, often share the same engines, chassis, or electronics. Smart buyers know this and shop for the value twin, not just the badge. Car manufacturers are locking down repair access, limiting diagnostics, encrypting ECUs, and restricting parts. Why? To keep you coming back to the dealership. That's why right-to-repair laws are so important. They fight for your ability to fix your own vehicle. So, let's review. Your car may have hidden features you already paid for. Not all recommended services are essential. Many luxury cars share DNA with cheaper models, and DIY repairs getting harder on purpose. Car companies aren't evil, but they're in business. Your best tool? Knowledge. Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe to stay one step ahead on the road.